Wekiranu toko yachaka kuruase kaunti ya Kisii awasiritkuria rero mugavana we kaunti ya Kisii Paul Simba Arati abagwakabwatoka chichek basari echio chire chiekerengo kiech milioni 52 gochiase aboroki wa ba form 1 naboigo chiskuru chobobundi gose vocational training centers ase arwaira yokoenekia buna obwene naboigo obwasioku babere bokorokana asokoena nwa wechbesa echio Arati nigabaga kuru kuboria abuna baorokiwa bakorwa chinga chintaka babe bakwewali bagaritangani chinga kichokwena nwa which basari chasencha moyo kwene kyabuna ebirengo bitsemi byabere bigokiniwa imeyense ya Kenya nabegokera umorokiwa oberega kwenyorera libagari yali yokonyora amasomo ase chiskuru robot yoru ngo twarganira senchera yobwekanu no murketo job manki
Buna enchera moyo gosira chisemi ase kaunti ya Kisii nigo mugavana we kaunti ya Kisii Paul Simba Arati abagako bwatoka chibasari chiekerengo milioni 52 uchiasa aborokiwa wa form 1 abali barayasi chiskuru chiobobundi.
To the various beneficiaries across all the 45 wards consisting of VTCs and Form 1s, we are disbursing a total of 77 million in bursaries to 18,000.
Nigo abaga kwene kinga buna neruete kwene kinga ngosirare chisemi ase kaunti ya Kisii ase abaga komenta chibesa chikweno nogochi ase chibasari kuruase chimilioni 145 wika chimilioni 245.
As I promised last year, the bursary kitty was increased from 145 million to 245 million. Each electoral ward receiving an average of 5 million shillings. And the fund has been transparently executed through the open MCS.
Elinde gosiria oboibi na boigo obotutukanu chinga kichokona nugwe chibasari nigabaga korwa ogochika.
And fraud regarding dispersing of funds were adopted issuance of individual checks to beneficiaries. I now challenge the benefiting students to work diligently and post impressive academic performance.
Maiga okwemurungania korwa ase aba MCA aso mugavana kwena na chibasari gochia ase kera award nigabaga goteba okwena no chibasari tali memeremo yaba MCA kurinde nemeremo ya serikali goyetera ase wizara yechisemi.
Issues of bursary is not an exercise of MCS. They are here. It's an executive office duty. When things go wrong, these gentlemen and ladies who are here, the oversight our works. I'll request you guys.
Nabagakuru okobori gochia ase abaiboli kwene kinga ngotenenera bali nabo yokolenda abana babo buna ebwenerete.
We have done our part. Abana ngocha bali kule school. Abana have done their bit. I want to make a request. Abana kiwachi manyu wangu na
nabaga gusaba obwasyo kuna boigo abana bakurwa chinga chinteka kweguli bagali abene chinga kicho kwegwa ebasari. Nabaga kwene kinga oberega kuliki aborokiwa bonsi ba ECD ase okolikwa kobotambe buna enchera moyo gosira chisemi ase chiskuru choboroso ase boigo abagakorwa eira gochigotabukia obwagachi bwebirasi ase chiskuru echio.
We have already employed all our ECD teachers on permanent and pensionable terms. In the last financial year, we managed to commit funds to the construction of ECD classrooms.
Jinko reporter ya Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.